What if I told you one tiny oversight when starting your car could cost you hundreds or even thousands in repairs? Stick around, because I'm going to show you 5 starting mistakes many drivers make. And trust me, you'll want to know the last one. It's the worst. You're about to turn that key, but are you unintentionally cutting years off your engine's life in the very first seconds? Because today we're exploring the starting mistakes too many drivers treat as harmless when they're actually ticking time bombs under the hood. Let's jump in. Mistake number 1, ignoring the warm-up. Many drivers start the engine and immediately drive off tough. Especially in cold weather, fluids may have settled and need a moment to circulate. Tip: after starting, give the engine about 30 to 60 seconds before acceleration. Then drive gently until things warm up. Mistake number 2, jump starting improperly. Using another vehicle or use a boost pack wrongly can damage your electrical system and battery. Tip: turn off all accessories, ensure correct cable polarity, get the assisting vehicle going, then yours, and let it idle to charge properly. Mistake number 3, starting in the wrong gear or transmission state. For automatic transmissions, starting when not in park or without your foot on the brake can cause problems. For manual, starting with the clutch partially engaged or transmission in gear is risky. Tip: always set the shifter to park if it is automatic car or neutral if it is manual car, and put foot on the brake or clutch depressed, then start. Mistake number 4, neglecting battery and terminal condition. Weak battery, corroded terminals, or poor connections make starter and engine sensors work harder. Tip: regularly inspect battery terminals, clean corrosion, tighten connections, and test battery health, especially heading into colder months. Mistake number 5. And now, the best tip I've saved for you, overlooking cold start behavior in extreme weather. On frosty mornings, oil is thicker, fuel may not atomize well, the engine block is cold. All this ups wear during startup. Many drivers skip the waiting period or accelerate too hard immediately after ignition. Tip: on cold mornings, start the engine, let it idle for about 30 to 60 seconds or a bit longer if extremely cold. Ensure other systems, defrost, mirrors are clear, then drive off gently. Avoid high revs or rapid acceleration until the engine reaches proper operating temperature. All right, those are the 5 starting mistakes you want to avoid, especially the last one. Next time you're out on a frosty morning, give your vehicle that moment of respect. If you found these tips helpful, drop a comment below with your toughest starting issue, hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.